Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next topic of the retirement of a partner. Earlier, I told you how to settle the partner's capital account. It can be closed by making the payment to the retired partners or by considering the retired partner's loan account. It means from here the partner's loan account arise. But now I am discussing how to settle the retirement of the partner's loan account. So here I am telling you the steps of settlement of the retired partner's loan account and the examples of the retirement of the partner's loan account. First, see the steps now. Step number 1, as the partners agreed, first of all the principal amount is to be paid in the few equal installments. Installment may be 1, 2, 3, 4 as per their decision. So I think when it has been taken, the principal amount is to be divided into the installments, and then interest will be credited to the outstanding balance of the opening of the each year. Means on the outstanding balance of the every year, it will be created as a interest charge. Then the amount will be paid. When the amount is to be paid, it will be debited to the partner's loan account. So now you may observe the example. Here the one example is here to settle the partner's loan account. Like after closing the all the partners capital account, the balance due to the retired partners 11,500 as given. So you may observe the loan balance is 11,400, which comes through the partner's capital account to settle by transferring to the loan account. So this is the loan account of the outgoing partners, and now B and C decided to pay A the partner's loan account into the three equals installment. So what does it mean? The three installment of the principal amount has been made. So 11,400 will be divided into three parts. So with the interest of the 5% in additional, the value of the 11,400, the person is liable to pay the interest. Principal amount will remain 11,400 and interest will be calculated every year on the balance due. So now the first of all you may observe here the 11,400 has been given to the credit side by A's capital account. It means when the partner's capital account is closed, then the entry will be passed A's capital account debit to A's loan account. This is the opening of the outgoing partner's loan account. So by 11,400. Now the first year when the three installments are there, and the first interest will be paid at the end of the every year accounting periods. So first interest on loan account debit to A's loan account will be passed, means the outgoing partner's loan account will be passed. It will be applied, the 5% will be applied on the balance due 11,400 as the first installment is. Now the amount is coming 570. Now the at the end of the year, then the amount is to be paid to the A's loan account. Then A's loan account will be debited to bank account. Now here you may see the first installment value of the first installment value 3,800, 11,400 when divided by the three installment. The one installment will be of the 3,800 and plus the 570 of interest. So both will be added and then the amount will be paid. It means the every year installment will be paid principal amount plus interest due for the year. So here the after overing the first year, you may observe here the interest entries are only two. Number one, interest on loan account debit to the A's capital, and then A's capitals to bank. These entries will be repeated every year. Now the balances of the forwarded 7,600 to the next year, but when you are observing the 7,600, this is the balance of the remaining two installment principal amount. So the principal amount is moving now, the opening balance of 7600. So the interest will be applied on this 7600. So the by interest on capital account is debited to the A's loan, means by A's capital is listed here. 5% is applied on 7600, then result is 380. Now the time period of the end of the years, then pay the installment to bank account. First, second installment again of the 3800 plus interest value of this year is 380 as per the calculation of 5% on 7600. Both will be paid and then the balance will be calculated 3800. Now the third installment balance is due now, so it will be forwarded to the last year, and the last year is third year, then the balance forwarded 3800. And now the interest on loan of the 5% will be applied on this balance 3800, which has been forwarded from the last year. It is now 190. And now the time period is to pay the money to bank. The third installment value again 3800 plus the interest due 190, and now the total amount is to be paid for 990. So it means this is the result now. But sometime the questions may be like in this. This is the example of when the principal's amount and additional interest is given. This is the scheme of. Thank you.